Hello lovely student, welcome back to Free Learning English channel. Today I'm going to teach you demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun and interrogative pronoun. Okay, what is interrogative pronoun? The first one is what is interrogative pronoun? About definition. Or those pronouns which are used to ask question, okay? Or those pronoun used to ask a question. And those pronouns that ask a question in a sentence are interrogative pronoun. Like, we can say like, what, who, whom, whose. These are interrogative pronoun. When we use this forward and to ask a question, that will be interrogative pronoun. For example, we can say that, what is your name? This is interrogative pronoun that used instead of the name. For example, his name is Ahmad. What is your name? What is used instead of Ahmad? And ask a question, okay? Number two, who can clean the board? Who can clean the board? Who is also interrogative pronoun. Instead of a person, use this, that who can clean the board? Maybe Ali can clean the board, okay? Number three, whom Ali kill? Whom did Ali kill? Okay, whom did Ali kill? Whom did Ali kill? It means that which person is killed by Ali? Whom did killed by Ali? Okay, and whom is used instead of object in every sentence. Okay, the second person, whose car is it? Show that whose car is it? Show possession. Which person is the owner of this car? Okay, we use this to show interrogative pronoun instead of interrogative pronoun. This is interrogative pronoun and to ask a question like who, what, whom, and whose. These are examples. Okay, let's jump to another part. This is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun say to us are those pronouns which show near, far, singular, and plural in the sentences. Okay, and like you can say that this, like, this, that, those, and this. And these are point something. Okay? Point something in the sentence. And you can use these forward in the sentence, show demonstrative pronoun. This is a car. That is a boy. That is a boy. And point the near and far, singular or plural. These are boys and those are girls. These are sentences for demonstrative pronoun. And another part, distributive pronoun. Distributive pronouns say to us that all those pronouns which refer to noun individually, okay, like either and neither. Okay, either and neither are distributive pronoun, and these are show that which two person or do, or you cannot select these two option. Okay, this is example. There are tea and coffee. There is two things, tea and coffee. Two things, tea and coffee. You can have either. Okay, you can have both tea and coffee. You can use it instead of that. You can have tea and coffee. You can have either. You can have both. You can use both of them. Okay? It means both of them. Number two, there are not tea and coffee. There are not tea and coffee. Okay? You can have neither. You cannot have tea or coffee. Okay? Neither show you cannot have. You can do that. Okay? You can achieve tea or coffee. You can drink tea or coffee. And number one, either said that show positive thinking, and either is a kind of negative. Okay? These are all about introgative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, and distributive pronoun. If you have a question, let's put a comment on below, and if you have a question, do that. Otherwise, please subscribe the Free Learning English channel, and see you inshallah in the next lesson.